Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're comparing two awesome OLED TVs, the Sony Bravia XR A80L and the LG C4. Let's find out which one is worth your money. Both TVs look amazing, but there are differences. The LG C4 is brighter in both regular viewing and HDR content, which means colors pop more and highlights shine brighter. The Sony A80L has great shadow detail and precise image processing, making dark scenes look cleaner. For brightness lovers, the C4 wins. For natural, film-like images, the A80L delivers. Here's where the LG C4 dominates. It's in gaming features. It has 4 HDMI 2.1 ports supporting 4K at 144Hz, plus lower input lag. The Sony only has 2 HDMI 2.1 ports and maxes out at around 4K 120Hz. If you're a serious gamer with multiple consoles, the C4 is the clear winner. The Sony does have special PlayStation 5 features, but overall, LG takes the gaming crown. The Sony A80L uses something called acoustic surface audio, where sounds come directly from the screen. This makes dialogue feel more natural and immersive. The LG C4 sounds decent, but can't match Sony's audio. If you're not buying a soundbar right away, the Sony is better. The LG C4 is typically cheaper and has seen bigger price drops than the Sony. The A80L holds its value better, but costs more upfront. Both are excellent TVs, but the C4 offers better value for most people. So, which one should you buy? If you're a gamer or want the highest brightness picture, go with the LG C4. If you love movies, natural colors, and great built-in sound, choose the Sony A80L. You really can't go wrong with either one, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.